Hey guys, welcome back to Pascalini Productions. I am Pasco, and this week we were teching Sharpies at the shop and we found this. A pan belt replacement is not impossible, but it is pretty inconvenient. You have to detach the base of the fixture from the head and remove all the harnesses from the pan tube. Definitely not a repair for the faint of heart. Let's get into it. First thing we need to do is strip the plastics. Next, I'm going to remove the panels from the base, and I'm going to loosen the front and back panels as well. Now, we need to unplug all of the harnesses and get both face plates free from the fixture itself. Next, we'll unplug all of these electrical leads and grounds. It helps me to take photos of all of these connections inside before I unplug them, so I can have a reference when I'm doing a reinstallation. From here, I'll start to pull all of the harnesses through the pan tube. Disconnecting the main bus harness from the yoke board is the easiest way to free the harness from the head. Once we've got the harness free of the pan tube, we can disconnect the head from the base. With all four nuts off, we can separate the head from the base. Next, I'll loosen the lock nut and the washer and proceed to remove the frame. During the disassembly, I found a couple of screws loose on the pan motor. This was either the cause or at least a contributing factor to the pan belt snapping. While I have the fixture apart, I'm going to tighten up all of the screws on the pan motor as well as the tilt motor. When we're ready to install the new belt, we're going to use a Power Grip GT3 393 belt. Pan and tilt belts are not interchangeable, so make sure you use the right one. With the pan belt in place, I can set the motor tension. From here, we just reverse the process and reattach the head to the base. When plugging the harnesses back in, there are heat shrink labels with POS and M labels on the harness that correspond with their spot on the board. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and be sure to subscribe.